Hi guys and welcome to Minecraft YouTube and episode 7. And as you can see, today we are mining nothing too much, a bit of redstone, a bit of lapis. In fact, oh look, more redstone. Have you ever wondered why it happens like this? If you tap it, it turns white. Look at that. It's very nice. Guys, look at that. It's even better. How many diamonds are here? 2. Not too bad. Get it? 2. Bad. 3. 4. Guys, in the start of an episode, diamonds. Isn't this amazing? I think there's a whole second layer. I believe. Please be second layer. Please, please, please. Oh, yeah. Guys, I told you redstone is so nice. It even gives you diamonds. Diamonds for free. Wait, can I not pick that up? Oh no, my inventory is full. I'll drop this diorite. Not because I want to pick the cobblestone, because I want to pick the diamonds. 9 diamonds, I can do it with iron, but I will do it with a diamond pickaxe. 1. Come back here. Yeah, come here. Come to me. Why can't I pick you up? What did I mine now? Get out, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, guys. I guess that's it for today. Mining. And yeah, as I had told you in last episode, we are going to have a subscribers wall. In this episode, we already have some subscribers, so let me just go ahead and show that. And yes, I also put some stairs in the mine, way faster. Look, I'm already up. It's so much faster. And also, we have a little enchantment table thing, and an anvil. So, good. Upgraded the storage system, nothing else. Eat some food. So, yeah, guys, let's just see how much diamonds we have now. If I put all of this in, 23 diamonds. Not bad. I'm still in iron armor. Though that cave really took out my armor. I had so many mobs on me. So today, what I want to do with you guys is called enchanting. Okay, guys? Actually, before enchanting, we have to take some of these. And yeah, we have to put, oh come on, it's raining. And it's almost night time, so I'll just do it on a day when it's not raining. Okay. So by the time that's enchanting. Now, I believe I have lots of lapis in here. 1, 2, more than 2 stacks, and then I have half a stack with me. Let me just take the 6 others. I don't know why. Okay, so to enchant my tools. So this is knockback, vein of arthropod, sharpness. Not too good. I had a book, and this book is sharpness. So what I want to do, let's see. Wait, if I put the sword here and sharpness there, that costs only 1 XP. But if I put it here, okay, sharpness 1 costs 2 XP. Oh, actually it costs 1 XP, right? It costs 2 levels. I think the other one was better. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to put knockback, okay? And then I'll come here, and then I'll put sharpness. So then it is sharpness 1, knockback 1. That's pretty good, not too good. What else do we have now? Oh, ouch. What about the pickaxe? Pickaxe, efficiency and breaking. I'm going to get a unbreaking. I like unbreaking. There's some sort of stuff you even want on elytras, you know? So guys, now that we have enchanted our tools, now what do we do, you ask? Now, well, we can make more tools. So if I come here, take my diamonds. I only want to make a chest piece for now, only. I can make a block of diamond. I don't know why I would do that. Chest piece. Oh, yeah. I forgot about that. I didn't have any space. I really should organize my inventory sometime. Okay. Now, I should be able to make a chest piece. I want to enchant my chest piece. Protection, projectile protection, blast protection. Oh no, this is hard. Projectile, oh no. What about the sword? Oh yeah, I already did that. Oh god, protection, projectile and blast. I would say projectile is better because, you know, like skeletons and things. And blast is better for creepers, and skeletons I take with bows. So, I would say blast protection. And speaking of my bows, I hope I get infinity power, unbreaking. I would rather take power, you know. Unbreaking in a bow. No, I'm not gonna enchant the bow. It doesn't have anything too good on it. So I'll just wear my new diamond armor. Now what? Now we can make, I'll just take all of these diamonds. I left one, it's okay. I'm going to make that and that. Basically yeah. And then now what I can do is put that there. Do I even have any levels? Yeah, I have lots of levels. Okay. Projectile, protection, blast. I already did projectile. I already did blast. So I guess oh no, this is hard. I think I might want to go with blast again. I really don't like dying with creepers. Okay? And now for the helmet. So projectile, unbreaking. Both of these are unbreaking. One. I would say I want unbreaking more than projectile. No, actually, skeletons, if they do a hedge, yeah, projectile is good. Okay, guys, so I can equip this and equip that. Now, I have 1 diamond. I have 3. Might? No, actually, no. I needed 4. Now I'm lacking 1 diamond. Anyways, now I'm going to sleep. And yeah, guys, a sword with knockback and everything else. I'm so excited. But all of that comes with a price. My diamonds are finished. I want to try it on something. Ooh, no. I don't want to try it on a creeper. I hate creepers. Okay? Rather just take them out with a bow. Right? It looks like it's not gonna bother me. Okay, creeper gone. Now, as I was saying, we have some subscriber award people. And this is just the first episode, so yeah. So first of all, I'm going to what color do you want? Okay, choose let's say color red. Okay. This is Ananya. Okay, that's the first girl in the subscriber world, the first person. Then over here, I want to put my friend, who is. Can I find the correct color? No. 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 Okay. Ding, galing, ding. Oh no. Ding, ding, ling. Okay. A ding, ting gaming. And then yeah, that's it for this episode. Every episode you get to. So yeah, shout out to Ananya and to Adingaling Ting Gaming on. So anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video where basically I've gotten some diamond tools, enchanted them. I haven't gotten boots, but I'm almost in full armor, and I really still want to try this. Let's end this episode by seeing the sword. Okay? What can we see it on? Hey, Spidey. Spider-Man, come here. What can you do? You're just a Spider-Man. Let's see how the knockback is. Ooh, that's some nice knockback. Okay, now I'm just going to climb up and wait for it to come. Okay, guys? Just wait for it to come. Or not. Spider, you make me sad. And I'm very bad at aiming. Hey, go. Ooh, you know what we can do? We can kill that zombie pigman. I don't know why I want to do that, but good. I have more than like 7 stacks of redstone. And also I can get too many zombie pigmen from there. I just have to kill them all the time. That's some good knockback. Come. Ha! You see, guys? Oh, it didn't give me anything? Worst pigman ever. Anyways, guys, that's the death of Saw Piggy. The test of the sword. Wow. I really like my armor. Not too much though. Let me just put this iron armor back. So yeah, guys, that was it for this episode. I hope you liked it. Basically, in a recap, we have gotten some diamonds and we have enchanted. Bye.